Good morning, Southern California, AM 1220, KHTS. The show is Fred Arnold on the Santa Cruz Valley Chamber of Commerce Business Spotlight. Want to do a quick commentary for the next couple minutes on something that's really near and dear to my heart, and that is VA home loans. And I want to talk about the top 10 myths of VA home loans. We just had Veterans Day, and I think it's really important because a lot of veterans don't realize that they can use a VA loan to buy a house up to and over $1 million. I mean, it's absolutely crazy, but they just don't know what they don't know. So it's important that we educate veterans and they can utilize that benefit that they've certainly earned as brave men and women in our armed services. So myth number one is my VA loan eligibility expires. In other words, I have to use it within so many years or it goes away. No, that is not true. It never expires. You can use it when you're 18. You can use it when you're 28. You can use it when you're 58. You can use it when you're 70. It doesn't matter. It does not expire. My VA loan benefits can only be used once. No. If you bought a house when you were in Virginia, stationed in Virginia, you sell that house and or not, you move to California, you can use that VA benefit. It can be used more than once, and it goes along with it's only for first-time buyers. No, it is not. You can use it a second time, a third time. You don't have had to have used it before to use it a second or third time. So it's not for just first-time buyers. I only have one VA loan at a time. No, you can have a VA loan that you got in Florida when you were living there and use so much of your eligibility, if you will, and then you can move to California or any other state, and you can use it again. You can have more than two VA loans. You just have to know the rules around it and see a mortgage professional that'll be able to show you those rules around it. Qualifying standards are harder. Not necessarily true. They actually have a different way of underwriting a VA loan, and even they don't have minimum credit scoring. It can be manually underwritten. The key is what lenders do that. So certainly they're not necessarily harder than conventional loans. In some cases, I think they're easier to get a VA loan than conventional financing. After a VA foreclosure, I can never use it again. That's not necessarily true. You can seek a mortgage professional that can give you advice on how that works. The program is only for veterans, not active duty. Not true. If you're active duty, you can utilize it. And of course, as a honorably discharged veteran, if you meet certain requirements, and most veterans do, then you can utilize it. You can be in the reserves, prior military, retired, not just active duty or not just entitled, if you will, a veteran. VA loans do not work on properties that are foreclosures, bankruptcies, or short pays. Nope, you can buy a bankruptcy, foreclosure, or short pay without a problem. Just make sure you see a mortgage professional that knows what they're doing. My current loan is upside down, so I can't move up. Not necessarily true. If it's upside down, you can still purchase another one. In fact, in some cases, you can purchase another one using a VA depending on how much eligibility you had and where you're moving to and if you're getting relocated and how that works. And I didn't get approved by my favorite bank. You know, there's the Big Five cartel that some people go to. If you didn't get approved by your favorite bank, you know, I'm not eligible. That's not necessarily true. Go ahead and shop mortgage brokers, mortgage bankers, and banks to get the best quality VA loan. You earned it. You're a brave soul. You're a brave American that goes in the military, serves their country, and it's one of the greatest benefits that you can ever possibly have is your VA home loan benefits. As a mortgage professional at American Family Funding, we do offer these products, and we want you to know that we're here to serve you, whether you're a veteran or not. You know, another thing I'll just mention real quickly that was what's great about the program is you can have a cosigner on a VA loan. We have a situation right now where a father is buying a home and the kids are moving in with them, and the kids are not VA eligible, but the father is. And so it just requires a little bit of down payment, and there's a certain formula to that, but they're getting a great VA loan. Interest rates are very competitive and very low right now, so it's a good idea for you to check with your mortgage professional on that product. Well, I hope you enjoyed this edition of the Santa Cruz Valley Chamber of Commerce Business Spotlights and the top 10 VA loan myths. This hour's been great. We had some great professionals on this past hour. Hope you enjoyed the hour. And if you have any questions, please email me, Fred at fredarnold.com, or you can give me a call, 661-505-4300. If you want to watch all these shows, Santa Cruz Valley Chamber of Commerce Business Spotlight online, go to go to hometownstation.com. You can find all of them broken down in each segment. Well, until we talk again, make it a great day. This is Fred Arnold on AM 1220 KHTS.